This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast without vanilla. Swap vanilla for cinnamon and a pinch of orange zest. Whisk eggs with milk and a little sugar, then soak bread briefly so it absorbs but does not get soggy. Use medium heat and a non-stick pan, cook each side until golden brown, and finish with butter and a dusting of powdered sugar, and enjoy. Pick a sturdy loaf so slices hold up when soaked and cooked, and slice around 3/4 inch thick for the ideal ratio of custard to bread. Whisk 2 eggs per cup of milk, add a tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of salt, then stir in cinnamon and orange zest as your flavor swap. Soak each slice briefly and evenly, aiming for a light soak to keep texture balanced. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple kitchen tips. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth really changed how I think about planning for goals, and it's an easy, fun read even if you came for breakfast ideas. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and use butter or a butter-oil mix for even browning and less sticking. Gently press soaked slices to expel excess custard before cooking, and cook each side until golden brown, flipping once for best texture. Avoid high heat to prevent a burnt exterior with an uncooked center, and finish with a pat of butter or a dusting of powdered sugar for a simple, tasty finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.